Craig with Kuat here, and I forgot my sunglasses. Today's episode, we are going back to the Raptor build that we featured earlier. We're gonna give it the ultimate Ibex bike upgrade package. 2 SR along with some Molle panels. Okay, I've got the 2 sets of SR mounts here with hardware. The Molle panels, I just want to show you how they come packaged. So as you can see, they're foam packed, not to get damaged, and we provide all the hardware. Pretty cool. The 2 mid-height Molle panels, one here, along with the Piston SR mounts. On this side, before I install the SR mounts, I will need to remove this Molle panel just so I can physically get these in and attach to the rails. I'll also need to slide in a few more T-nuts. All right, so I've installed the SR mounts on both sides. I've got the full-length Molle panel on the driver's side. I've got 2 of our kind of mid-height universal Molle panels on the passenger side. Now it's time to install not 1, but 2 Piston SRs on this Raptor. Okay, everyone wants to see what's in the box. All right, so you've unboxed the SR. Now you open up the hardware box and burlap sack. Traditional mounts, if you're gonna put them on like a roof rail. Keys, which go to the built-in cable lock system, and a series of bolts. I'll be using these shorter bolts included here. The longer bolts can be used with the universal adapter, but again, with the Piston SR mounts, we'll use the shorter bolts. So just like before, take the T-nuts, flip the SR over, and thread them in. Okay, there you have it. Dual Piston SRs. Passenger side, coming around here, driver side. Okay, thanks for coming along on the build with me. Again, this is the Ibex B2, which fits our full-size truck short bed, 5'7" bed. I've got the mid-height full-length Molle panel on this side. I've got 2 universal mid-height Molle panels on the passenger side. Not 1, but 2 Piston SRs. And this Raptor is ready to hit the trails. Tune in next time for more builds. Please comment, subscribe, and mash that like button. We'll see you next time.